Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom Wallet account. So for that, what you need to do is just head over to your Binance, and then what we're going to do is go over to your wallet and then click on Overview. Now from there, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Transfer, and then we're going to search for, it's not a coin, so let's change that at first. So I cannot change it for now because my account is not verified, but all you need to do is just search for Solana over here, just like so, and then put in the amount that you want to send and then click on confirm, and then it's going to ask you for your Phantom Wallet address. To do that, just head over to your Phantom Wallet, click on receive, and then you see Solana. You just need to copy this address and paste it over Binance, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.